Hey guys, another unboxing. This is the movie The Toolbox Murders. It says the original exploitation classic. What he does to your nerves is almost as frightening as what he does to the victims. Generates some genuinely scary moments. From Stephen King, he said that. Put out by Blue Underground again. Says bit by bit by bit he carved a nightmare. Talks a little bit about the movie. Some extras. You have audio commentary with producer Tony DiDio, director of photography Gary Graver, and star Pamela Ferdin. I Got Naked in the Toolbox Murders, interview with Marianne Walter, theatrical trailer, TV spot, radio spots. Not rated. DTS Master 7.1. Movie is 94 minutes. 1080p. It's a 25 gigabyte disc. Go ahead and open this one up. So Blue Underground puts out some pretty solid material as far as cult movies go. Anyway. Alright. Pretty similar to the Two Evil Eyes packaging anyway. I like this one a bit better. There is the disc with a toolbox with blood coming out of it. You have your chapter selections, and you have the Toolbox Murderer. So, anyway, that is Toolbox Murders.